Hey baddies, so today we're gonna be doing a first impressions on the Ipsy GlamBag Plus. This is my first box from it and I'm really excited to show you the products I got. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment down below. Let's get started.
Right around it.
Can you say that again?
So the box comes like this. It's just a regular pink box. When you open it, it has like a pink, yellow foam and a quote that says, "Don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you." First thing you see when you open the box, it's this little book. It tells you all the products that are in it, so that's really cool. The first product that comes in the box, it's a Pixi by Petra Glow Mist. I use this as a primer today and I actually really like it. I really enjoy Pixi mist. I had the rose water setting spray and I really enjoyed it, so I'm really excited to keep trying it. It says it's to set your makeup, but it's just like an oil mist and I don't think it'll look that good to set the makeup. So I would just recommend using it as a primer. The value of this is $15. Next product, it's a mascara and it's a It Cosmetics Superhero Elastic Stretch Volumizing Mascara in Super Black. This is the product. I have tried this mascara before and it's not my favorite just because it's not waterproof. It looks like this. A lot of people enjoy this mascara, but it's just not my favorite and I'm not gonna be using this mascara. I'm just gonna put it on a future giveaway. The value of this is $24. Next product, it's the Touch and Soul Pretty Filter Waterful Glow Cream. This is a moisturizer, if I'm not wrong, that you apply on top of all your skincare. So once you're done with your serums and your regular moisturizer and all that stuff, you add this on top. So I used this last night and I liked it. It gives you like a nice finish. So this is how it looks. It looks really bougie, you know, really luxurious. And it has like a water formula. Oh, I don't think you can see, the lights are too bright. Right there. Okay. Yeah, it has like a water formula, which I really like. So yeah, I'm really excited about this product. And the value of this is $38. Girl, that's over the box. And if I haven't mentioned, this box is only 25 bucks. So we already like passed the price tag already, you know? The next product, it's something I was so excited when I saw it. I was like, oh my god, I can't believe I got this. It's the Huda Beauty Obsessions palette in Mauve. This is eyeshadow palette by Huda Beauty. And it has colors that I usually use. Like, I love this palette. Like, I thought it was gonna be bigger because I will see these on Instagram and I thought they would be bigger, but they're actually really small. They're like a hand size, like, and my hands are really small, so yeah, these are really small, but they are so cute. Like, this is so cute, and the colors I'm obsessed with. And the value of this is $27, which the price is kind of high for just 9 eyeshadows. So yeah, I will actually trouble with this. This is so cute and I'm excited to try it. Last but not least is a highlighter, and it's the Offer Cosmetics highlighter in Rodeo Drive. If you guys know me and if you guys watch my videos, no, this is my favorite highlighter. Like, oh my god, I can't believe I got a backup of my favorite highlighter. I wish I would have gotten a different shade just because I already have this one, but I'm excited. Like, I mean, I'll still use it. I'm still gonna use this highlighter after I'm done with the other one. I'm already hitting pan on mine. Mine looks pretty beat up. So yeah, I'm glad I got this highlighter. Ladies, this is it. I got 5 products in the box and so far I love it. I'm going to continue to purchase the box. And yeah, I 100% recommend it. Try it out. If you like the month, you know, keep getting it. If you don't, just cancel it. You can cancel anytime, and it's only 25 bucks. It's a little more expensive than BoxyCharm. BoxyCharm is $20 a month, but I think the products are worth it. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, and stay tuned for the next one, you know. Bye baddies.